Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming. And if you hear of fiber optics, you will probably know that fiber optics is used for internet itself, where you guys can reach speed of up to like 10 or 20 gigabits per second. Alright, and have you ever heard of your HDMI cable, your DisplayPort cable, or even your Ethernet cable running on fiber optics? Well, what I have here, it is the really cool solutions to things like signal loss, this and that, especially when the cables get longer than probably 3 or 4 meters. As you guys know, when a cable gets bypassed like 4 or 5 meters long, and even longer, like probably 10 meter, 20 meter, the signal will be cut short, and most of the time, there will be certain downsides to it, like the HDMI, the 10 meter long HDMI cable cannot fully support like maybe 8K or 4K at 120 Hertz in like those normal copper wires, when the signal have to travel through is a very long distance, so there's like impact on the quality issue, this and that. Whereas fiber optics can transfer at a really high speed without any interference at all, because it's using light itself. And the best part about this is that this thing is detachable. Anyways, what do I mean by detachable? So all of this you see right over here, we do have the this is the DisplayPort one, and this is the HDMI one, or is running HDMI 2.1, and it's running the latest 2.1 and can support all up to 8K. And we have the Ethernet as well. And the best part about it being detachable is that whenever there's something wrong with the wire itself, someone damaged the wire, you don't have to change the whole thing and spend a lot of money to replace the whole cable. Just unplug the fiber optic cable itself, and after that get a new one. Or you guys can also change the length itself, which is really awesome. So for me, you just have this one, the Ethernet cable, and you want to for now you just need a 1 meter long cable. In the future, you might need to connect a 10 meter long cable. You don't have to buy a whole new set of cable itself. You just have to upgrade the cable from a 1 meter one to a 10 meter right over here, and you are good to go. You don't have to change the whole thing itself again, so which is really awesome. But for now, let me just go ahead and unbox probably the detachable Ethernet port over here, and see what we get inside the package. So we do get with some really cool stuff right over here. I think this is like some fiber optic cable, or like the cleaning the ports, this and that. They do give you 2 of those. And okay, this is surprisingly well built. This whole thing is metallic as well. There's a decent weight to it, so it's not those plastic connector. This thing is metallic. So yeah, there's a decent quality to this. We have the Ethernet port over here, and this ends connects to the ends of the fiber optic cable. And what I have here is a 10 meter long cable, because I need it for my TV itself. My TV always get disconnected on Wi-Fi. I have no idea why. So my TV is really far from my router, so this will definitely be perfect for you. And this can also be used in servers as well, if you want an absolute no interference, really reliable connection. Fiber optic is the way to go for Ethernet port as well. We do get both 2 USB micro USB connectors cables, to power up this thing right over here. You guys can see, just connect it and connect to any USB ports out there. So we get 2 of this right here. And yeah, there's a warning sign, so it said do not remove before installation, but I'm gonna just remove it for you guys to see. Okay, and let me just show you. So this is a fiber optic inside here, and to connect it is very simple. Just get one end of the fiber optic cable, and remember, do not bend the fiber optic cable more than 90 degrees. It's gonna break the fiber optic cable. So just handle it with care. You guys can see this is the end of it. And you just have to connect it straight into it. And it just snaps right on it, and you are good to go. You can just connect your RJ45 Ethernet port to it, and you are good to go. And you want to release it, just push this up and release it. And always remember, if you want to change cable, this and that, remember to cover it back up. Again, to prevent any damage to the or any dust that goes into here. So just cover it back up, to ensure everything goes in smoothly without any damages. And yeah, so this is the fiber optics for the Ethernet connector. So yeah, you guys can see really, really awesome. They give you so many interesting parts right over here. All right, and now let's just go ahead and take a look at the display port right over here. So we see what we also get if you are getting the display port one. All right, so I'll just unbox all three so you guys can see what other things that you will get if you were buying either one of this. Really amazing, awesome cables right over here. So what I have here is a 3-meter one, so they come in all different lengths. All right, you guys can choose one that's suitable for you, and like I say, all right, whenever you want to change to a different one, you guys just upgrade the cable only. You don't have to change the head, this and that. All right, so for the display port one, you do get a user manual, all right, and as well as a few cleaning tips over here. All right, and you do get the cable itself. So like I say, let me just open this up. All right, you have a Ziploc bag with all the ports itself and the cable. So it's basically everything exactly like the Ethernet one. All right, you do get the HDMI, or it's in anti-static bag, which is really awesome. But let me just show you the HDMI one itself. All right, so this is the HDMI one itself. You guys can see. All right. All right, the fiber optics goes in here, all right, and the power cable goes through here, all right, using a USB cable, all right, and this thing is also metallic as well, so it's super, super solid, very, very well built, all right, and you guys can see the connectors, all right, is the same as the previous one. You guys can see the 10-meter one and the 3-meter one is the same. So whenever you just, hey, I need a 10-meter one, just get a 10-meter one or 20-meter one and plug and play. So it's all interchangeable, so it's really, really awesome. All right, so yeah, I don't have to spend, like I say, a lot to change again. So yeah, it's the same. You just have to plug this in, all right, and just connect one end to your display port to probably your GPU, and another end to probably your projector or your monitor, and hey, you're good to go. And you guys can experience the full experience without any latency, this and that. So yeah, this is the HDMI package, which is what you will get from it depending on the length you'll be getting. So yeah, really, really happy with this thing itself. I'm going to keep this in first because I might need to use this for another thing, like for my new PC build in the future. So I'm not going to open this, all right, just in case I damage it anymore. All right, but you guys can see what are the things that you will get in this package as well. And let me also unbox, the HDMI one so that you guys can also see for yourself what the HDMI can do as well. So what are the things that includes in the HDMI? So I'm going to, since I have 3 of them, I just show you guys 3 of these. All right, for the HDMI one, you do still get the same cleaning tip as well as a user manual as well. All right, and of course you do get the same package as what I got earlier on, but this is for the HDMI from the display port. So you guys can see, okay, this is the fiber optics cable itself. All right, but I'm more interested in the fiber optic HDMI cable itself. Okay, so yeah, that was a display port. This is the HDMI one. All right, pretty much the same thing. All right, this is the connector where you connect the fiber optics in, power up the cable itself, and you are good to go. Look at that. Okay, so for this one, I am going to connect it because I am going to use this on my own system. Obviously, you wouldn't see anything that is shorter than 1 meter, all right? I mean, the same display port will work, but if you are using it, like I say, a long range one, like, probably like more than 10 meters one, you can see a significant improvement, all right, in this compared to a regular copper wire 20 meter, 10 meter HDMI cable. So it can be especially useful if you are using this for long distance, or if you are in a scenario or in an environment where there is a lot all right, of interference, electromagnetic interference, all right, then this will come in really, really handy compared to copper wires, this and that. All right, so yeah, this will be really, really cool, all right, if you are in those places or you just want to upgrade your setup to be like latency free, extremely good, all right, best of the best setup. All right, like if you ask your friend like, hey, what HDMI cable are you using, then you just tell them, oh, I'm using a fiber optic HDMI cable for my gaming setup. They were like, huh? All right, so if you like have yeah, so it will be really cool. I mean, like, you don't see fiber optics cables, HDMI cables or out there. Mostly it's only used for like Ethernet ports, like internet, this and that. All right, but for this one, there's a really, really different use to it. All right, so really cool. And the best part about this company is you guys can see right over here. What you guys see? This red logo over here. Yeah, you see this? All right. It says lifetime warranty. So you guys can have, with just the lifetime warranty, you guys can easily tell, all right, how good this product is. All right, they are confident enough to offer you a lifetime warranty, meaning that their products are really, really of quality compared to like any of, you know, the other product out there that probably doesn't even offer a lifetime warranty. This is lifetime, so anytime there's some issues with it, you guys can change it for free, which is really, really cool. And they have a few different features listed over here. You guys can see what are the features, which I pretty much mentioned it in my video already. So yeah, you guys can see. All right, if you want something that is quality, or something that solves your needs, all right, of like having long cables and, you know, a reduced latency, and you want to, you know, have a lag-free experience and no interference, this and that, all right, fiber optics cables are the new way to go with. So once again, if you guys want to check out any of these products, all right, I'm going to cover this back anyways. So anyways, if you guys want to check out any of these products right over here that I've shown in this video, you guys can check out the first link in the description down below and get this for yourself right now. And yeah, it will be really awesome, and it's a really huge upgrade compared to a standard HDMI display port or even an Ethernet cable. If you want like superb, you know, internet, even like super really good speed on your internet cable, like really stable speed, all right, compared to a regular category 5 or category 6 or category 7 or even category 8 Ethernet cable, fiber optics can really improve your connection and as well as, you know, make it more stable, right? So which is really cool and really awesome at the same time. So if you guys want to check out this RUIPRO, all right, fiber optic HDMI 8K DisplayPort 8K and as well as a Ethernet cable, all right, you guys can check out the first link in the description down below and get this for yourself once again. So that's all for today, guys. Find this video really interesting and really helpful. Let me know in the comment section as well. And without further ado, this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry. I don't wanna cry.